Hey YouTube, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. Today I wanted to do an unboxing, and I'll probably do a couple unboxings today, but I'll post them as separate videos just so that people can see the content that they want to see instead of posting all in one and making you watch for the specific one you like. So first though, now I did pick it up used. It is a Void Pro from Corsair. It is well regarded as a very good headset. This specific one is the RGB, which is kind of cool, but it wasn't something that I was worried about getting. That was just an extra benefit to this specific package. I paid less for it than I would have for any of the others that I was looking at. So just to show you what comes in the package, and from my understanding, this is exactly what you would get if it were brand new. You get the instructions slash user's guide, which, you know, for a headset isn't really that important or needed. And then you get the headset. So not only does it come with the standard noise cancelling microphone, but the rotating headphones allow you to store them in better places, and it is a USB adapter for plugging in. So I will cut out in a second here and post some pictures onto the video so you can see what it looks like before we go. So thank you for watching. Like the video if you like the content. Subscribe to the channel to keep up to date. And as always, leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of the headphones. Have a great day.